Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This is gonna be a rough week. 24 hours ago, I was drinking a cold, crisp Corona with lime on the back patio of the open range grill overlooking the red rocks of Sedona, Arizona. Tour was like going on a semi-paid vacation. It was awesome. What is not awesome is the fact that I got home at 6 o'clock in the morning today and I have to leave in 15 minutes to go teach. Because I basically came home, flopped into bed, slept 4 hours, and I have to leave in 15 minutes. Anyway, it gets worse. Tomorrow, I have a performance in New Hampshire. Oh, why did I do this? Something that's kind of funny is that when we were leaving Arizona, the pilot gets over the speaker and he's like,
yeah, we're expecting a 5-hour flight direct to Boston where there's a slight breeze coming in from the north and temperatures of 38 degrees.
And everybody on the plane just went, oh man. I did have a whole row to myself, so I got to like stretch out a little bit, but it didn't really do anything. Like I had my comfort hoodie, that was cute. You know, pulled the eye patches down, tried to get some sleep. It did not work. Like I think I was like in between being awake and being asleep. It wasn't restful. I was freezing the entire time. Like, at least JetBlue gives you a blanket. We flew Delta. Ugh. Same scenery, different day. It is now the following day. I just slept for 10 hours. This week we're gonna be slowly getting back on track. However, today I have a concert. So I'm literally putting on the bare minimum to go rehearse for this concert. I wore this yesterday, but it's my Walnut Canyon hiking shirt that I got at the Walnut Canyon in Arizona from the tour, the world tour.
I'm on tour.
What are you doing?
I'm on the world tour.
Oh my god, I have to leave in like 15 minutes, and in that time I have to have coffee. So I'm gonna like try to put this into a higher gear and then just go rehearse. Then we're gonna come back and sort of take stock of what we need to do in order to get back on track for this week with the time that we have to get back on track. There might not be any time. I'm pretty sure there's no time. But we'll discuss in a bit, because first I gotta do the thing that I get paid to do. I need to get ready. Oh my god. Look at this friggin' outfit. My glow up has gone to shit, apparently. I also need to charge my iPad. Like, everything is just a mess. Big, fat, inky mess. Stop. I could charge it when I get to the school. For 5 minutes. Okay, well, I just had rehearsal. I'm about to go home and like actually get my act together and get ready for this concert. What are we playing? Shades of Violet. Is anyone surprised? This is the 5th time I am playing Shades of Violet, and the 3rd violist that I am playing Shades of Violet with. It's a colleague of mine. He programmed it on his faculty recital. The only caveat is, even though we're faculty here, he's also faculty at the University of New Hampshire. So we're going to New Hampshire today, and we're actually going to the university where I had my first ever band camp experience. So I'm returning back to a place that is very near and dear to my heart. This piece has gotten a lot of mileage this year. 5 performances of it, 3 violists. I'm the only common denominator. It'll be a good time. I'm so glad that I was asked to play. It's a great opportunity for me to just like show up
and play my best, and it's a great opportunity to showcase Jenny Brandon's music. Because it is a contemporary piece of music, but it is like incredibly tonal and beautiful, and it's very satisfying to play. And it also like diversifies the classical music repertoire. It's nice to play music written by women composers. With that being said, I need to go home and charge my iPad and get something to eat and get on with the day. This is the case that I took with me on tour. It fits one clarinet. I need to take everything out of here and unpack a little bit more. We'll do that another day, but I am gonna switch to my case that has 2 clarinets because I like it better and I can humidify my instruments better. I'm also going to give my kitty a little kiss on the head and charge my iPad. And find my foot pedal, which might actually be in my clarinet case. Yeah, I'm doing things right now just to like get ready for the concert, and then I'm gonna like actually take a shower and put on makeup and do my hair. I'm not gonna straighten my hair, it's gonna be curly. But I wanna wear something a little cute tonight, you know. She's so precious. I love her so much. Oh, my makeup looks fabulous. Wow. Wow, look at her. I'm a little bit more put together. Hair is drying, so it'll just go up from here. I'm wearing a white sort of silky shirt, black sort of silky pants. I'm gonna change my shoes when I get there. And then I can't decide if I'm gonna wear a gray blazer or a black blazer, so I'm gonna bring them both. I have everything packed ready to go. So now we start the long trek to New Hampshire during rush hour.
And just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the roses instead of dreaming of things we miss.
It is cold up north.
Vision fields could be right under our noses and rapture at our fingertips. Like I'm going over the falls.
I think black looks a little nicer. It's just like, yeah. Feels a little tight, but I think it'll be, there's enough stretch. I think it'll be fine. I think we're gonna go black. A wee baby osprey. It's not really a reset day. It's like a hanging on for dear life kind of day. I was gonna sit there, but she just jumped up. Anyways, I'm doing laundry. I've got an hour and a half before I have to leave to go teach. I have none of my own food, but there's a coffee shop nearby and they have a honey lavender latte. And also, I did have to ask, I was like, is it too late to get an egg sandwich? And they made me an egg sandwich. I think tomorrow, I don't think I have anything going on this weekend. Hold on, let me check. The only thing I have going on tomorrow is a massage appointment at 2 in the afternoon, so I can sleep until then. But then, like, I actually do have to, like, get ready for the week ahead, because, you know, as per usual, I have a concert coming up. I have to do some meal prep, some food shopping. I just want to start off the next week strong, since this week was such a shit show. I should probably upload a video. It's been like 3 weeks since I've uploaded. Like as you're watching this, it's been consistent. It's been, dare I say, ballin', banging over here on this channel. What goes up must come down. What is good must end eventually. All good things come to an end. Mwah. This is my teaching outfit. literal pajamas. Like, pajamas. Like, oh wait, something tells me there's a pretty sunset outside. Let's go check it out. As I was leaving, my bag broke. There's no way for me to fix it, like clean off. So it was good while it lasted. Ooh, there she is. It's gonna be a good one. So I think one of the best things about being back at home is that I can finally cook for myself. It's gonna be like a super fast like pasta with sauce kind of thing. So like I can't handle spicy foods, so I'm actually gonna try mild chili crisp by this brand, Momo Fugu. I feel like chili crisp is having a moment, kind of like how Kewpie mayo had a moment. I don't know if you even know what I'm talking about. This is gonna go in the sauce, as well as, well, first of all, sourdough, oat milk, coffee creamer, and orange juice. Vanilla Greek yogurt. They were having a sale on raspberries. Whole grain. Whole grain. I can't get enough of these little like tuna pouches. See the protein? 15, 17 grams. Like high in protein, like keeps you full for longer, but also don't forget about your fiber. Right now it's like they're putting protein in everything, and I just have a feeling that everybody is walking around constipated because they're not getting enough fiber to digest the protein. PB, because this is also going in the sauce. It's like peanut butter, chili crisp, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and sorry to say, but the base of the sauce is a stick of butter. Last bits of produce are basically the garnishes, chives or spring onion or green onion, whatever the hell this is called, parsley also. Like a shit ton of parsley. Like that's so much parsley. So I'm gonna use half of it tonight and then probably half of it when I make it again midweek, because I have a feeling I'm really gonna like this one. My bill was not as high, even though I bought $7 bread. But like your girl's gotta have sourdough, you know? Sometimes you gotta splurge on the things that bring meaning to your life. That's my little grocery haul. I've just started laundry. I have an hour. How am I gonna use that hour? I'm gonna take an everything shower because I've been in my own filth. Like, you know how when you just like feel like you have to take a shower like all day and you haven't had a chance to? Like, I am ready for a shower. I know, you are too. I can't just lick myself. Meow, meow. I'm gonna feed the cat. But then I'm gonna take an everything shower. Once I'm clean and feel a little bit more put together, like a modicum more put together, I will be able to actually like get things done. Like put away my laundry and then put away more laundry and then put away laundry until I die. Also, I have a rehearsal tomorrow that I didn't think I was a part of, but apparently I am. So I need to also probably practice. I know, life is so hard. We are going to rehearsal. We are going to rehearsal. We are going to rehearsal for a concert on Friday.